Hey everyone, we're at the factory. Factory update today is we are working on the seating area for the Wazebo. I was just in here 5 minutes ago and it looked quite different. So they are working fast. These screws weren't in and there's like 100 in there already. Like literally 5 minutes ago this was not done. So this is these guys are moving fast, which is what we need because this needs to be on the water in about 2 weeks. I don't know how we're going to do it because this is the plug that is going to make the mold to make the actual part. So it's a 3-step process. They are moving fast. They only started cutting the frame out for this. Like you can see this side here. So we started cutting all these pieces of wood out to make the base frame. That was like just a couple days ago. So we're moving fast. So I'll explain what you're looking at here. This is there's going to be 2 of these. The Wazebo is split into 4 different quadrants. We'll have one quadrant here, which is the seating area, then another quadrant facing you on the opposite side, and then 2 quadrants are going to be just flat, open disc areas. So you'll be able to, one will be the entrance to the Wazebo, and then one will be just looking out over the water. So you'll be able to sit down. You have a view, like unobstructed view of the water going all the way around. You'll be able to sit and relax with your friends sitting beside you or across from you. There'll be a round table in the center. So you can sit down here. This is going to be a cushioned sitting area. So it'll be nice, really nice and comfortable. Then on the center, there'll be a big round table that will have chairs that fit under the table. So it will just kind of close in on itself, so nice and tidy. But when you want to eat like a meal, you can pull the chairs out and you'll be able to sit around. And I think there's 8 chairs right now set up to be able to sit there. So that's going to be really nice. So actually there's going to be a lot of seating area. You'll be able to fit like almost 25 people out here. 8 in the center, probably 6 on this side, 6 on the other side. So that's 20 plus 7 on the outside here and 7 on the outside there. So that we're getting up there. So like 34 people, it's a lot. So this will be covered with a roof. We're not going to have the roof for launch because we just have too many things to do. We're not going to get it done. We'll add that after launch, but we're hurrying to get to this point of finally having everything on the water, so we got to hook. You guys can come in, no problem, don't stop. The guys are stopping so I can do a video, but I'm just telling them don't stop. We don't have time to stop. So around here we have this is going to be right on the edge, the outer perimeter of the Wazebo, and this is going to be an area where you can sit down, like right here, be cushioned, cushions going all the way around. So it's a nice cushioned area, and you'll just be dangling like a meter above the water. So it'll be a really nice hangout spot. There'll be railing around the top here so you can hold on and walk around. It'll be a really cool hangout spot. You can use it as a loading place to go diving because you can put all your dive gear on and jump right into the water. So it's going to be a pretty epic Wazebo. I'm really looking forward to it. So that's it for today. Catch you later.